past decade, we've had the privilege of being entrusted by over 500 businesses to help them with website design, sales strategy, brand development, media buying, customer experience programs, and social media. During that time, 90% of our clients have conquered the first page of Google for multiple keywords and have earned a combined $200 million plus through organic marketing alone. Vancouver, it's our distinct privilege to announce that we're planting roots in your city. On March 1st, we officially signed the lease for our funky Yaletown office and can't wait to be part of your entrepreneurial community.
Here's what it's like to have Style Labs in your city. First, we're going to bring you best-in-class website design for every price point. We have 4 award-winning products that have delivered double and triple-digit ROI to small businesses for more than a decade. Second, our Marketing in a Box product will give you the ability to have the torque of an ultra-high-performing marketing department for a fraction of the cost. For the price of less than a single resource, you will have access to senior strategists, developers, designers, writers, researchers, and communication specialists. Imagine brainstorming new ideas, working through your challenges, and having the platform to implement your plan. Now, Vancouver, you do. Third, we're here to serve. As a member of your community, we take our responsibilities very seriously. We bring with us our renowned internship and mentoring program, small business coaching and advisory, and of course, our new COVID-19 business survival initiative. Finally, we're here to create employment. With growth and expansion comes the need for talent, and Vancouver, you've got a lot of it. We're already interviewing for our West Coast Style Labs family.
For a limited time, we are offering free strategy sessions to any aspiring entrepreneur in Vancouver. We'll take the time to understand your business, identify opportunities, and develop a starting point of actionable tasks you can execute right away. You can find our free consultation form right on our Vancouver page.
Ready?
Set, go.